Okay, so what time of year is it?
Halloween.
It's coming up to Halloween. It's October, so it's Halloween. So we're gonna make a Frankenstein. So what we're gonna start with here, what colour is Frankenstein's face?
Maybe green or black or
I'd say
anything.
green would be good. So now we're going to cut out a few shapes first for his hair and his mouth. Why don't you do some hair? So coming from here and then I'll cut it. Okay, so this is the hair, yes? So I'm cutting the hair like this. I'm gonna cut it like this. Wait, what the? Was that because it's Halloween? Very good. Now we're gonna cut the hair. And what are you doing over there, Missy Moo?
I'm gonna do a scar.
Oh yeah, I love that. I'm gonna stick this on with, oh, do you know what is one of the best products ever made? Is the Clag TrianGlu Stic.
Oh, yeah.
See what they did there? TrianGlu. Yes, very good. So open that up for us. Very good. Twist it like that. How good is that?
Oh.
All right, so we'll do it in the corners so
that.
it stays. So look at that hair. So you're already getting, you're getting an idea of what it's going to look like there.
Dad, that looks like your spiky hair.
It does. Hey, very good. Okay, have you got a Halloween song for us? Is there any Halloween songs? Do you know any?
Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.
Oh, that is.
It's Halloween. Ooh.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. You back?
Yeah, I'm back.
All right, now we're going to put the
get the
scar.
glue.
Look at that scar. Okay, so do you want to put the scar just around here, do you reckon? On the cheek or?
Yeah, up there.
Up there? Okay. Now we need some eyes. So we got some eyes?
Eyes.
We're going to put the eyes on it. We're going to use foam pads. Oh, yeah. Very good. Now we need a mouth. All right.
Let's just do a mouth.
I'm going to put some bolts on the sides, like up here. He has these little bolts, these screws.
Is Frankenstein really real?
No, he's not real, baby. We're putting the mouth on. I think this is like, oh, this is the bit.
I should put a tongue on it.
You could if you like. Put the mouth on and then you can put the tongue on top of it. Oh, look at that. Good job.
It looks like a nose just going out like that.
That's all right. Go, put it down. Let's put this. You like how that sounded? Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to glue this onto the box, okay? Because then he works as a puppet.
Let's both glue.
All right, you want to both do that? That sounds good to me. Let's go like this. Yeah, very good. Plenty of glue. All right, let's turn that over.
Can I stick it on?
Absolutely, you can.
Oh, this
Yeah,
is
yeah,
a
that's the
tiny
way. That's the way.
spot.
Oh, his tongue's gone. That's okay. You don't want the tongue? Let's
Okay, let's do this.
and put your hand in. It's a puppet. Yeah, Frankenstein. Give him a voice.
Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Ooh. Ooh, it's just me.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Visit the Bostik website for more projects.
Down here. Right down here.
Right down here.